Welcome to your new Aria device. If the Aria app has been downloaded, you can open it and follow the step-by-step instructions to set up your system. You can also follow along in this video. Getting started with Aria is easy. This video will show you how to set up your Aria system. It is important to use your Aria system only as directed by your physician or healthcare provider. Your Aria system consists of the connector tube, power supply unit, air pump, and pneumatic garment. We've also included optional expander panels, should you need to expand the size of the garment to better fit your leg. Once you have all the system components, you are ready to set up the system. First, connect the connector tube to the pump. Insert the gray end of the air line into the air pump. Next, insert the gray power splitter into the air pump. Then plug the power line of the power supply unit into the gray end of the power splitter. After following these steps, your connection should look like this. Then, plug the other end of the power supply unit into the wall. Your power indicator will turn green. You are now ready to put on your garment. It is important to avoid wearing anything under your garment that may hamper the lymph flow. These items include pants with heavy seams, compression stockings, or zippers. You may wear loose-fitting, non-elastic clothes, sheer liners, or place the garment directly on intact skin. For best results, stretch your legs out in a comfortable position. There are two ways to put on your garment. We will show you both ways, and you should pick what works best for you. The first method is the wrap method. Prepare the garment by unfastening the garment from the ankle to thigh, but do not remove the tabs around the foot sole. The self-fastening tabs on the foot are only there for minor adjustments to achieve a good fit after initially putting the garment on. Lay the garment out flat where you can fully outstretch your leg. Place your leg on top of the garment and place your foot into the garment foot piece. Wrap the garment foot piece that has no tabs over the top of your leg and tuck it under your leg securely to keep it in place. Secure the garment by fastening the tabs. Secure the bottom tab first and work your way up to the top for a tight fit. The second method is the stocking method. Before attempting to put on the garment, loosely fasten all the garment tabs. When you're done, the garment will look like a stocking. Slide your leg into the garment as though you're putting on a stocking. Once your foot is at the end of the garment, adjust the tabs to get a tight fit. We recommend working from bottom to top. Your garment should have a tight but not restrictive fit, like a yoga pant. Now you are ready to connect your garment. Connect the green end of the air line and the electrical line to the garment connection points. Your connection should look like this. Once all the connections have been made, you are ready for therapy. Start therapy by pressing the Start/Stop button. You will see the power indicator turn white, and after a few seconds, it will dim. To stop therapy, press the Start/Stop button or wait until the therapy session completes.